Hi children, welcome back to our next video. That is, we're going to deal with numbers. Okay, this will get in page number 46. Okay, okay. Today I'm going to cover the subtopic. The subtopic which I have already given you in my PDF, right? All the subtopic that I gave you one by one. I'm going to cover. Okay, so many questions I have solved in my PDF. The question which I left, I'm going to solve one by one. Please pay attention. Okay. Okay. Now here I'm going to solve question number 4. Okay. Question number 4 that you will get in page number 47. Page number 47. Okay. Okay. Question number 4 says, in this sequence, yeah, this is sequence. And what is sequence? Everything I have explained you, right? Okay. In this sequence, every number is double. Oh, every number is double the previous number. That means 3 is double of this 6. When you double 3, you will get 6. When you double 6, you will get 12. Are you agreed? Is it okay? Working? Yeah, it's working because it's a sequence. Okay. So double means just add the same number 2 times or multiply by 2. Any method you apply. Okay. The shortcut way of doing double or finding double is just multiply by 2. Okay. So let's see. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 24 times 2, 48. 48 times 2 is your answer. Let's do it. 48 times 2. 2 times 8, 16. 1 carry over. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yeah, 96 is your answer. But how will find these 2 box? When we move forward, we're multiplying by 2. When we move backward, we need to divide by 2. Just have a look here. 96 divided by 2 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is your answer. Just 3 divided by 2. You get answer. 3 divided by 2. Okay? Let's see what is your answer. Do it. 3 divided by 2. 3 times 1, 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. No number to come down. You point 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Right? Done. 1.5 is your answer. Very good, 1.5. These are calculation, okay? So you need to write here 1.5. As we are doing like this, 3 divided by 2, 1.5. 1.5 divided by 2 is your another answer, next one. For example, like this. 1.5 divided by 2 is your answer. I'm talking about this, okay? Now, many students, they face difficulties when they are going to divide any numbers having decimal like this, right? And they make mistake here. But you should be too smart of doing all this calculation. Okay, there's many methods to solve all this type of questions. Let's use one method here. Are you scared of this decimal? Remove it. How will you remove? After decimal, how many digits is there? Only 1. That means only 1 0 you put. Both numerator and denominator. That's it. Now when you work out with this, there will be no decimal. I guess you know all this, right? What happened? 1.5 into 10, there will be no decimal, remember, only 15. Don't be surprised. 1.5 into 10, 1.5 into 10, 0 times 5, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 1, 1, 0, 5, 1. 1 digit decimal, 1 digit decimal. After decimal, if it is 0, we just don't count it. Okay? We just ignore it. What do you see here? 15. So when you multiply this 2, you will get 15 only. Okay? 2 times 10, 20. Can you see there is no decimal? Can you do it now? Yeah. Now what happened? 15 divided by 20. Okay? 15 divided by 20. 15 divided by 20. In 20 table, you will never get 15. It's smaller than this. Right? So what you need to do, give 0 and point. You can just give point. First you put 1 0, then point, and then you put 1 0. 150. 20 times how much is 150? Just ignore 0 for some times. 2 times how much is 15? No, it's not there, but nearer to 15 is 2 times 7, 14. Take it. Now how to do? 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14. 20 into 7 is 140. 0, 1. As you have already given decimal here, don't need to give another decimal, okay? Since we cannot do, put one more 0. 20 times how much is 100? It's so simple. 5, yeah. 20 times 5 is 100. Because 0.75. 0.75. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75. Okay? Remember children, don't read 0.75. It's a wrong reading. Is that okay? You always have to read 0.75, not 75. Is that okay? After decimal, you have to pronounce each digit separately. Okay? Yeah. Let's go to question number 2 that you will get in page number 49. Okay? That's it. Is the following a general statement? Oh, they're asking, is the following a general statement? Is this a general statement? Explain how you know. If yes, how you know? If no, how you know? You have to explain. But first you have to know what is general statement, which I have already given you, right? My PDF, right? All the definition, everything it has explained properly there. Okay? Just recap once. Is the following a general statement? Means general statement means what? It's a rules. Like it's a rules that always work. Always, everywhere, in every question. That's a general statement. Is that okay? Sometimes some statement works only in particular question, but that statement will not work in other question. That are not general statement. General statement means it works in this question. That statement again works in other question also, and so on. It's like a formula. It works almost everywhere. It's a truth. Okay? That is called general statement. Is that okay? Now let's see what this under the box, can you see here? What it says? Every multiples of 5 ends in 5. Every multiples of 5. Oh, multiples of 5 ends in 5. Let's check. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4. This is enough to prove whether it is general statement or not. Yeah? 5 times 1, 5. Wow, so far it's good. It ends in 5. Ends in 5. It's okay. general statement. I'll skip, okay? 5 times 3, 15. Still it ends in 5. But always, no. Why? Because 5 times 2 is 10. It ends in 0 and not 5. You agree with me? Here also, 5 times 4, 20. It ends in 0. Only sometimes it ends in 5, not always. So how can this be a general statement? You agree with me? It does not work everywhere. So it is not a general statement. Okay? I give you what is general statement, what is counter statement. Okay? Counter statement means it's like trying to prove that this statement is not a general statement. Everything you will get in my PDF. Okay? Please go. Okay. Now you understood that it is not a general statement, right? Is the following a general statement? No. It is not a general statement. It is not a general statement. Explain how you know. Just give one example. That's enough. How you will give example? 5 times 2, 10, which ends in 0. 5 times 2 equals to 10, which ends in 0. See, it does not end in 5. So you have explained already. That's enough. So no, it is not a general statement because 5 times 2 equals to 10, which ends in 0. Okay. Now you can try it off with the rest also. Okay. Okay, children, this is question number 1 from page 49. Okay. It says, look at the thermometer. It's a thermometer, okay? I draw a very beautiful thermometer. Have a look. Okay. Which numbers are represented by the boxes? Find out the numbers. It's indicated where? Okay? Let's do it. Okay. Before working out, first connote the division between two numbers, between minus 10 and 0. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. It's 10, 10, 10. Same everywhere. Okay? So now we understood it's 10. Okay, now. You know what is number line? Right? Number line? 0 at the center, right side all positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Left side of 0 all negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Okay? Negative 10, somewhere it's here. So, now when I move in this direction, that means what will happen? You just have a look. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Number 9. Let's do it. Minus 10. I'm moving forward. Minus 10. Next is minus 9. Right? Minus 8. Yeah, done. It's indicated here. That is minus 10, minus 9, minus 8. This is minus 8 degree Celsius. It's a temperature. Okay? Now what I want to do is B. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Okay, what it is? Let me see. It's here, okay? We have to check this. Let's see. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Yeah, it is minus 1 degree Celsius. B is minus 1 degree Celsius. Got it? Now what about C? After 0, what you will get? We are using number line, children. Don't get any confused. After 0, what you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive numbers. Right side of zeros all are positive numbers. Plus. Left side of zeros are all negative numbers. Minus. Okay? Now, after 0, obviously I'm going to get positive numbers. Right? So, positive 1, 2, 3. Where it is? Let me first find. They are indicating here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is 9 degrees Celsius. Positive. Plus. No need to put plus sign. We just know it is plus. But in negative, you need to show the negative sign. Okay? That's it. This is your answer. Question number 1 is done. Okay? Okay, now question number 2. Similar way, in these methods, apply. Okay, it is not necessary that between two numbers there is always 10 division. Like for example, here it is 10, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sometimes you might be getting this type of number. Say, suppose say like this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 8. Oh. Okay, just to make you understand, let me do this like this. Let it be 9. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. So how will you do? You have to reach 10. Because 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, you all know this. Like division is 10, right? So you just say 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In your standard, you just understand this. 5, you can take now 2, 2, 2, right? 2. 4, 6, 8, 10. You got it? You try. You try question number 2 by yourself. I'm sure you can do. You try and show me. If you face any problem, I'll definitely help you. Okay, try. I've solved in my PDF. Question number 4. Question number 4, let's do this. The temperature in England is 11 degrees Celsius. And the temperature in Iceland is 15 degrees Celsius colder. What is the temperature in Ireland? Okay, so question number 4. The temperature in England is 11 degrees Celsius. Oh, that's it. Solution. To make very easy, let's draw number line. The temperature of England is 11 degrees Celsius. It's here. Temperature of England. Now what happened here? The temperature in Ireland is 15 degrees colder. That means 15 degrees colder than this England. And you know number line. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. If our temperature is 3 degrees Celsius, example, okay, after some time it becomes 2 degrees Celsius. What happening? It's becoming colder and colder, right? After that 1 degree means now what you understood? When it comes this left, when it moves to left hand side, when it moves to left side, it's getting colder and colder. You got me? And when it moves to the right side, it's getting warmer and warmer. For example, it's -4. Now when -4 becomes -2, it's become a little warmer. -2 to 0, warmer. From 0 to 2 or 3, it's getting warmer and warmer. That means when you move to the right, it's becoming warmer, very hot. And when it moves to your left side, it's becoming colder. Got my idea? Now what your question says? The temperature in Ireland is 15 degrees Celsius colder. That means moving to the left, it's getting cold. How many degree? 15 degrees Celsius colder. That means 1 degree, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is your answer. Yeah, this is your answer. Because it gets 15 degree colder. I move 15 to the left. This is your answer. Now fill up. As we are moving to the left, you know, use number line 11, 10, right? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, 0. After that, -1. This will be -2. This will be -3. This will be -4. Which is your answer? The question said, what is the temperature in Ireland? -4 degrees Celsius is the temperature in Ireland, because it's getting 15 degrees Celsius colder than England. Colder means always move this side. Remember, children, colder always move to your left, warmer always move to your right. That means use number line. From number line, I mean, just don't move out from your room. Is that okay? Okay. What is the temperature in Ireland? Thus, the temperature in is -4 degrees Celsius. That's it. That's your answer. Okay. Now, question number 5 I have done. Question number 6 is also simple. See, the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius and it cools down by 9 degrees Celsius. Cools down means always move to your left. This side cools down. Okay? And when it gets warm, always move to your right. Is that okay? I'm sure you can do question number 6, because I believe and I know that my students is too smart. It's very easy. Whenever you get like a cool, move to your left, warmer, move to your right. From number line, okay? Direction. Is that okay? Try it. Show me. Now let's do question number 8. The difference between the two numbers in the boxes is 10. Okay, this is question number 8. Okay, question number 8 from page number 50. Okay, listen. The difference between the two numbers in the boxes is 10. Oh, in the boxes, difference between two numbers is 10. Okay. For example, difference means you know very well. Like suppose this is just say 9, and say this is okay. Let me take this 8 and this 9. Okay. Like now, let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference between these two is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How far they are apart from each other? That is the difference. Okay. Difference between 7 and what is 10. Now you understood that very well that 7 is here. The difference between the two numbers in the boxes is 10. That means this 7 and this box. Say this box is here somewhere. Difference is 10. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the box. Done. This is your answer. One more time. 7. This is the one box. This is the one. difference between these two numbers is 10. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the answer. Whatever you get here is your answer. Okay? Let's check. As a number line, you know how to work with the number line, right? Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, -1, -2. This is -3. You got it. That's your answer. What number goes in the empty box? Sorry, empty box. Therefore, -3 goes in the empty box. That's it. You got it? So, solution, you can just use number line and work out. After that, you conclude with this one sentence. That's it. Okay? Now, let's do question number 8 done. 9 you can try. It's similar, something like it. Use your common sense. Look the question, read the question again and again until you understand. After that, sit quietly and work out. I'm sure you can do it. If not, I'll surely help you. Okay? Now let's go to question number 6 of page number 52. Page 52, question number 6. The rest everything I have done in my PDF. Okay? Let's go to have a look in page number 52, question number 6. Here it says, look at this number line. This is number line. What number goes in each box? You have to find out what number goes here. Don't be so confused. See, between 3 and 4, there are so many parts. This is called part. Okay? 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 parts. Between 3 and 4, 11 parts are there. First you know this. Okay? And you have learned already, I guess, mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction in your previous classes, right? That we are going to touch here. Okay. Let's see here. This arrow is where? It's 3 somewhere. It has not reached to 4. So there's nothing to do with the 4. Nothing to do with the 4. Arrow is before 4. And before 4 is 3. So it has not reached to 4. So let us not touch. Now let us see. What is this? 3. Now let's see that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? 9 out of how much? Out of total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it. 3, 9 by 11. This is a mixed fraction, right? So your answer is here 3, 9 by 11. Okay? Can you try B? Sure. B second is much more easier than A. Okay? You can try B. After that, let's go to question number 8. Because 7 I have done in my PDF. Okay? 8 says, round this number to the nearest whole number. Oh, what is whole number? Whole number means whole number. There is no decimal. 521. It's a whole number. Your roll number. It's a whole number. And what about this? Is it a whole number? No. There is a decimal point, so it's not a whole number. So it's simple. Okay? Whole number means a number without decimal. Okay? So they say round this number to the nearest whole number. Now look at the question 8, 4.6. It's a decimal number. That decimal number you have to change into whole number. And whole number means you are not going to get any decimal out of it. Okay? So can you work out this one also? The rest I will just leave for you to try. Well, children, they are decimal, make it whole number. Change it into whole number. Convert it into whole number. Nearest whole number. That's it. How to work it out. Whenever you are going to convert any decimal number into whole number, you just check after decimal what number is next. When you watch, you will see that it's 6. And you know how to convert, how to round off, right? If it is 5 or more, add 1. If it is less than 5, keep it same. Let it rest. Something rhyme is also here, right? You have learned, I guess, in your previous classes also. So now let us see. After decimal, it's a 6. More than 5. More than 5 means add 1. 4 will become 5. It's a whole number now. There is no decimal. You got my idea? Same goes here. 4.55. After decimal, you just have a look. It's a 5. If it is 5 or more, same case, add 1. But if it is less, for example, if it is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, this will never change. But if it is 5 or more, add 1. 4 will become 5. If it is 5, it will become 6. If it is 7, it will become 8, and so on. Okay? It is here 5. So surely it's going to, we are going to add 1 to here. That 4 plus 1 is 5. You got me? After decimal it's 5. So we have to add here 1. 4 plus 1. This is also 5. Can you see? Decimal is converted into whole number. Can you try next? Sure. Please feel free to ask any doubt. Okay? Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.